The new term of the Supreme Court starts tomorrow, and in one case in particular, could mean a big change for Oregon's criminal justice system.
Fox 12's Audrey Wheel is live in studio with us now with details on the potential impact here. Audrey?
Yeah, well, that case is called Ramos versus Louisiana. It could overrule an Oregon case from the 70s and require states to have unanimous juries in criminal convictions. The reason that's a big deal for Oregon is because Oregon is the only state that doesn't require a unanimous jury. People in Louisiana have since voted to change their law. Back in August, Oregon's Attorney General Ellen Rosenblum submitted a brief to the court asking them to uphold precedent in this case. In a statement then, she said in part, "I want it to be understood that I fully support repealing Oregon's non-unanimous jury rule, the origin of which has been linked to racism and anti-Semitism." But she says she'd like Oregon's voters to change the law moving forward, not the Supreme Court, saying in part, reinterpreting federal constitutional requirements after 40-plus years would call into question thousands of settled criminal cases and could require new trials in hundreds, if not thousands, of cases. Tonight, I spoke with a Lewis and Clark law professor and the director of the Criminal Justice Reform Clinic there. She's in Washington, D.C. right now for the Supreme Court's hearing on this tomorrow. She says she hopes the High Court does overrule the case.
When you only require 10 or 11 out of 12 people to make a decision about someone's life, to me, that doesn't show reasonable doubt, right? If there's one or two people on a jury that believes that the state didn't make their case or that the person's innocent, but then they still can get convicted, that seems completely against everything that, we understand and believe in our justice system.
And that case will likely be decided either the end of this year or beginning of next year. Of course, that is just one of many topics the High Court is taking up this term. There are almost 4 dozen cases in total, including the future of DACA, abortion regulations, and civil rights protections for LGBTQ workers. Live in studio tonight, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.